Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means staying united despite differences in religion, culture, language, or traditions. It teaches us that people can live together in peace and harmony, even if they have different backgrounds. This concept is important for maintaining social harmony and national strength. India is one of the best examples of unity in diversity. It is home to various religions, languages, and cultures, yet people live together with mutual respect. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and Pongal are celebrated by people of all faiths, showing a spirit of togetherness. Unity in diversity has many advantages. It promotes respect, cooperation, and tolerance among individuals. A diverse society allows people to learn from each other's traditions and values, making life more colorful and interesting. It also strengthens the country by bringing different talents and ideas together for progress. However, maintaining unity is not always easy. Differences in opinions, discrimination, or conflicts can create division. That is why it is important to promote love, understanding, and acceptance among people. Education, awareness, and cultural exchange programs help in strengthening unity. In conclusion, unity in diversity is a powerful concept that helps societies grow peacefully. It teaches us to embrace differences and work together for a better future. When people stand united despite diversity, they can overcome any challenge and achieve great success.